Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the Bogwalk Gorge and we're going to go over a flat bridge. And I want to talk to you guys about replacing flat bridge. Now, this is without a doubt a historic site in Jamaica. This bridge was built in the 1600s when slavery was still around. 1600s, that's over 400 years ago. And it's still operational. Look at it. We're going over the bridge now. Now, this bridge, I think, should be replaced. Don't destroy the bridge, keep it as a historic site. But this roadway is a major roadway. A lot of cars and trucks use this roadway. So they should build a bridge just to go across the Rio Cobra where flat bridge is. You could easily build a bridge where we started to turn to go on the bridge. Just send it straight across and come out somewhere out here. Build a proper bridge, steel bridge, because the water in the Rio Cobra can get very high. I mean, if they have the funds, you could even raise the bridge, making it higher and it comes back down. So it's definitely something that needs to be done. Now, as we said, this is a major roadway. And as you can see, it's a gorge. So at any time, a car can break down and block the bridge. And the bridge is a single lane bridge. In the year 2024, I think we need a 2-lane bridge or a 4-lane bridge. But it's a one-way bridge, and that's another problem. We've actually made videos of trucks breaking down on flat bridge, and you can check it out. Truck blocks flat bridge, and the gorge is closed for hours. Unfortunately, there are times when cars go over the edge of the bridge because there are no rails. And the reason for no railing is because when the water rises, it damages the rails and eventually washes them away. So, guys, what do you think? Do you think they need to replace this bridge? It is not, one, it's a historic site for sure. I think it's actually the oldest bridge in the Caribbean. And two, the functionality of the bridge, we need a wider bridge and a more modern bridge. And when going from Kingston to Ocho Rios or Kingston to Montego Bay, which is a major route in Jamaica, you have to use this road unless you're going to use the highway. But the toll is very expensive on the highway, and the alternative is Sligoville, but you have to go over a hill and the road is very bad. Tedious drive. You only do it unless you have to. So I think they need to replace this bridge, and China have an engineering company that can do it. They operate in Jamaica and they can do it quite easily. I'm not sure if local contractors would be able to do it, but if they are, it doesn't matter who does it, they just need to do it. Alright guys, let us know what you think about replacing flat bridge. And I mean, even the best built bridge in the world has a timeline on it. Nothing lasts forever, especially when you have water involved. And when the water rises in the bridge, in the gorge, in the Rio Cobra, it actually covers this road. There are many times they have to close the gorge because the water gets so high. Alright guys, and look at this truck. Look at these heavy trucks that are using the bridge. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about replacing flat bridge. Not destroying it now, replacing it. Keeping it as a historic site. Take pictures, etc. But use another bridge for all this traffic. Alright guys, have a good day.